Hello everyone and welcome to my tutorial on how to make a crochet ladybug. For this, the materials you're going to need are double knit wool in red and black, stuffing, a 4mm hook, scissors, wool needle and a stitch marker. To begin with, we'll make the body. For round 1, using red wool, you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, you'll do 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. For round 3, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. For round 4, you'll do 2 single crochets and 1 increase 6 times, leaving you with 24 single crochets. From rounds 5 to 8, you'll do 24 single crochets all the way around. I recommend that you pause here to complete rounds 5 to 8. For round 9, you'll change over to black wool, and using the back loops only, you do 2 single crochets and 1 decrease 6 times, leaving you with 18 single crochets. Then you'll stuff the body until it feels firm. For round 10, you'll do 1 single crochet and 1 decrease 6 times, leaving you with 12 single crochets. And for the final round, round 11, you'll do 6 decreases, leaving you with 6 single crochets. Then using a wool needle, you'll sew up the hole. Moving on to the head. For round 1, using black wool, you'll do 6 single crochets into a magic ring. For round 2, you'll do 6 increases, leaving you with 12 single crochets. From rounds 3 to 4, you'll do 12 single crochets all the way around. Then you'll slip stitch and fasten off, leaving a long tail for sewing. Moving on to the legs. For this, you'll chain 3 and then slip stitch in the second chain from the hook, then slip stitch again and fasten off. And you'll do this 5 more times, so you'll have a total of 6 legs. And moving on to the final part, the assembly. You'll start by adding some stuffing into the head. Then attach the head to the body with the wool needle. Attach all 6 legs underneath the body. Then using black wool, you'll sew a line down the body from the head. Then you'll add some little spots with the same black wool. And finally, you'll add a couple of antennae to the head. And now you're all finished. So thank you for watching, and please remember to like the video and subscribe to my channel, as I'll be uploading new crochet tutorials weekly. If you have any ideas for crochet patterns or crochet tutorials you would like me to make, I'm always open to suggestions if you just leave a comment down below.